It's William, and we're here with another review at the Riverstone in beautiful Alabama. Should I say hot Alabama? I'm kind of sweating today. But we're going to do a review on this 50 amp, 36 foot RV cable, extension cable. I'll tell you a story about that in a minute. It's from Tech Power. They actually sell these at Camping World and Lowe's. And their warehouses in California. They've been in business since 1990. Very good quality. Let me tell you a little story. When we first bought the Riverstone, we bought this Riverstone and we took it from Texas to our daughter's house in Oklahoma. And they had a plug-in, a 50 amp plug-in in their garage, but it was a long ways away. And the cable on this is very, very long, but it wouldn't reach. So we went all over Oklahoma trying to find a cable so we could get this thing plugged in and use it. And I ended up finding this $200 30 amp, pretty thin, at Tractor Supply. I think it's the only place I could find one. And I had to buy adapters then to switch it from 30 to 50. It was okay because it wasn't summertime. We weren't using all three air conditioners, so we could get by with 30 amps. So it worked out, but it was expensive. Wish I'd have known about this company, because this cable here is 36 foot long. This one was 25 foot long. This retails, they used to retail for like $249, somewhere around there. Right now you can get it for $179. $179, 50 amp, 36 foot long. We'll open it up here and show you in a second. But I ended up paying more than that for this little 30 amp one that's 25 foot long. And you can tell just by the quality, it's not very thick. This 50 amp one feels like the same thing that came on this Riverstone. So I'm very impressed with that. But let's open it up, because we haven't opened it up. And just remember, they don't pay us for these reviews. They send us the product. This is one of them products that I actually wanted because I needed an extension one to have on this unit that's the correct one. So you never know. You get to some of these RV parks and, you know, where you want to park it or position it for level ground, sometimes your cord's not long enough. So I think everybody should have an extra cord for their unit and buy the right one. Yeah, this is definitely nice. It's got the grip plug-ins, easier to pull them off and push them in. Yeah, 50 amp. Definitely the thick gauge. Definitely the quality. Both of them got the grip on there. Very nice, very nice. So this company reached out to us. They were right on top of their game. They shipped it within a few days. It was here right away. Actually, it was here way before I was. Very impressed with the company, and they've been around since 1990. So we just wanted to do a little unpacking and talk about the cable. I don't need the length right now where we're at. I'm sure down the road I will. And if the company's still in business since 1990, I'm pretty sure they're doing the right thing. And I don't know what they sell for them at Camping World, but you can go right online and buy them directly and have them shipped to you. Robin will put the links in below with all the information about it. Just remember, go green is what they say. Go green. 36 foot, 50 amp RV extension cord, plugged with handles. Very nice product. Very impressed. And you can pick them up at Camping World. You can pick them up at Lowe's. You can order them online. So that's all we got for this review. So just remember, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you like me and Robin, then subscribe to the channel. And